Hello, and welcome to MoveSmart Rentals. We're looking for an experienced senior bookkeeper who understands that strong bookkeeping is about much more than entering transactions. This position is responsible for keeping our Canadian financial records accurate, organized, reconciled, and ready for management and external accountant review. This is a full-time, in-office position based in Vaughan. You'll support multiple companies and legal entities, so the role requires someone who can confidently manage complexity and take ownership of the full bookkeeping cycle. In practical terms, you'll record and categorize daily transactions, complete bank and credit card reconciliations, maintain the general ledger, manage intercompany activity, and support accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll bookkeeping, GST and HST accounting, and month-end close. You'll also prepare internal financial reports and organized working papers for year-end review. But the most important part of the role is what happens when something doesn't reconcile. We need someone who investigates discrepancies, finds the cause, corrects errors appropriately, and follows issues through until the records are properly supported. You'll have meaningful ownership of the books, while significant or unusual transactions and certain financial decisions remain subject to management or finance approval. We're looking for someone with at least 5 years of full-cycle bookkeeping or accounting experience, with 5 to 8 or more years of directly relevant experience strongly preferred. Previous experience working with Canadian companies is required because you'll be dealing directly with Canadian bookkeeping practices, GST and HST, payroll liabilities and remittances, and month-end accounting. You should also have advanced QuickBooks Online experience, strong Excel or Google Sheets skills, and hands-on experience with reconciliations, accruals, prepaid expenses, journal entries, payroll, AP and AR, and intercompany accounting. A bachelor's degree or diploma in accounting, finance, business administration with an accounting concentration, or a closely related field is required. This role may be particularly appealing if you enjoy taking books that are complex or imperfect and making them reliable. You'll work across multiple entities, coordinate with different financial functions, and have opportunities to identify recurring problems and improve accounting processes and documentation. Compensation is based on experience, qualifications, and the scope of the role, and will be discussed during the interview process. Here's what you can expect from our hiring process. First, submit your application and resume. Our recruitment partner will review your background, and if it aligns with the position, you'll receive an email inviting you to complete a short, pre-recorded online interview. We use this interview because a resume can show where you've worked, but it cannot fully demonstrate how you approach a reconciliation problem, or whether you genuinely understand GST and HST, intercompany accounting, payroll entries, month-end cutoff, and financial cleanup. You'll be asked practical questions designed to understand both your experience and your accounting judgment. Candidates who perform well may then be invited to the next interview stage. After the interview process, we'll determine which candidate will be selected to receive an offer. If you're selected, the staffing agency we use will send you instructions to create your own login credentials. Once logged in, you'll review the offer and accept or decline it. If you accept, you'll move into onboarding. During onboarding, you'll complete our standard verification process, including government-issued photo identification, proof of your current address, a criminal background check, professional references, banking information for payment, and verification of your applicable education credentials. Because this role involves company financial records and internal business information, these checks support responsible access and onboarding standards. All documentation must be current, clear, readable, and verifiable. So, is this the right opportunity for you? If you have strong Canadian full-cycle bookkeeping experience, can independently investigate accounting problems, and take pride in keeping accurate, review-ready books across multiple entities, We'd like to hear from you. Submit your application and keep an eye on your email for the next step.